This is to show you how to use the tool crib in FreshView to Go. First things first, in Settings, make sure that you have set up a tool crib location. I have tool crib 300 as active. The second thing you need to do is make sure anyone you want as a user to be able to use the tool crib, they also need to have assigned locations. So I have 2 users, 2 locations. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that you have items in your tool crib, which I do. Okay, so now let's go and do some tool crib ins and outs. All right, so tool crib location, 300. Person that you want to use the tool crib, I'm going to use Jason. The item I want him to take out is a textbook. I will add that. And you can see it's under the selected items. I can do more than one item. I could do this and add another one. And now I have a quantity of 2. And all I have to do is check it out, and he is able to take it out. There it is. So let's just say that this is now the next day. Let's go back to the tool crib, and Jason, you can see the list of things that he has taken out. Okay, item description. Added a game, and it's down in here. Add it one more time, you've got your quantity of 2, and check them back in. And as you can see, they've been checked back in, and you have the history. There is nothing here to display because he doesn't have them anymore. Oops, sorry. There we go. There, it's not on display because he doesn't have them anymore. He still has these 2 items. So it's just that simple. Tool crib location, employee will have his location, what it is that you want, add, check it out. If you're returning it, add, check it back in. Thank you so much for watching this recording, and I hope this is helpful to you.